Am I the only one that didn't know you could upgrade TPM for free and finally get Windows 11 working? It's not magic, just a few quick steps. First up, let's check if your PC is even compatible. Visit your computer manufacturer's support page, think Dell, HP, Lenovo, and look for TPM updates. Pop in your model number or service tag. If you see a TPM 2.0 firmware update utility, you're good to go. Next, download and run the firmware updater. Don't forget to restart your computer when it tells you to. Now enter your BIOS, usually by mashing F2, Del, or SE at startup. Find security settings, then enable TPM 2.0 if it's not already on. Once you save and exit BIOS, boot into Windows and hit Windows key plus R, then type tpm.msc. If you see specification version 2.0, congrats, you've unlocked the power of Windows 11. And remember, if things don't go as planned, check your manufacturer's support page. Stay curious, stay secure.